I'm looking down like it's 60.
No, think good.
Okay.
You're going to be a grandfather! Your daughter's pregnant! That's what I said, 09!
Well, yeah, I thought when you look down at this
2009, you're going to be a grandpa.
Oh boy, congratulations.
Again.
You guys been trying or something? Or?
Well, it didn't take them long.
That's probably 5 minutes. Oh, I see.
All right, turn it off now. Cut, done.
That's the funniest response I've ever heard.
Cool.
I got one too. Mine doesn't say that.
Woo.
And of course, Kevin didn't understand why Ari said I'm the big cousin because it's kind of stupid. She didn't really have cousins yet. I mean, it's great she's going to have cousins at some point, but why does she need this shirt now? It doesn't make any sense. Why am I feeling so quick?
It's even wrote out, I'm going to be a grandma again.
Isn't that cute?
Well, see, now that's easy.
I read that and I go,
That's easy.
Well, they don't have grandpa ones like that.
That you're going to be a grandma
I've never
again?
seen anything like this.
Yeah,
I had them special ordered.
Isn't that the cutest
no
one?
wonder. Cool.
See?
Yeah.
Now you're all set.
Cool.
Oh gosh, I forgot all my maternity clothes for.
I'll be silent.
There
Woo!
Bring this-
White collars.
Can I
Are you
wear my
still recording? I thought that was a
Turn it
camera.
off. Turn it off because you can't find his video camera.